Let's see now, give me a second. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and there's 4. And I got one more on the way. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great day out there. Hope you're having a great Thursday. It's OG season, so you know what time it is. All these OGs are coming out. We got 4 OGs to go through. We got Cardinal 7s. We got the Jordan 2 Chicagos. We got the Lost and Found. So you know what time it is. So let's get back into this sneaker. Let's go and take a look at this sneaker because this is an OG Grail. So welcome back to the channel, guys, and you know what time it is. It's OG time. Nothing gets better than an OG on this channel because I love, Q loves, everybody I know loves OGs, and it's all about picking up those OGs. So I'm really amped today because this is a sneaker I've been looking forward to for quite a while. It is such a gorgeous silhouette, but we're going to look at this. But before we do, guys, make sure you check out the Shoe Dog podcast where me and Q discuss all the relevant topics, all the relevant discussions, all the relevant activities in sneaker behavior, and also taking all that bad activity to sneaker court of public opinion. So guilty, make sure you take everything to court, guys. Make sure that's basically our public opinion. We always break it down, we always talk about it, we always give our opinion and our judgment and our personal opinion because it's sneaker court of public opinion, guys. And on that note, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation, let's break it down, let's do the great things to pick up the sneakers we like. And I'm going to tell you guys, I picked up 5 of these sneakers, OG and all, guys, for all the bros for retail. I'm not a reseller here, guys. I picked these sneakers up for the bros, and each of these pairs are going for the bros, and always going to pick up a personal pair for myself. And on that note, guys, hey presto shabang, you know it's an OG when you stick this up in the air. Damn, this is the Jordan 3 Fire Red. So as you can see from the B-roll, guys, this is the Jordan 3 Fire Red, an absolute classic from 1988. Tinker Hatfield put his magic around that and basically created a Jordan 3 as we know it. There's 4 silhouettes in that range. There's the Black Cement, the True Blues, the White Cement 3s, and now the Fire Red 3s. All iconic sneakers, and everything to do with OG is a must for me because I need to pick up the rest of the pairs. I've got the Black Cements, I need to get the True Blues. White Cements are my free throw lines, but I'm definitely going to get those White Cements when they come out next year. Rumor, guys, rumor. But today we're looking at the Fire Red 3s, and this is a gorgeous iteration. This was an easy cut, but we will go into that. But I'm going to quickly look at the box because I'm going to make this quick from now on, because obviously everybody knows what a Jordan box looks like. And hey presto shebang, this is what the Jordan 3 Fire Red box looks like. All black top, red Jumpman on the top, and then you've got that black dark out print. And this is ironic because basically, guys, the print on this reflects the other releases, the other basically re-retros with the Jumpman on the back, because this print looks more darker for the older basically variations for that sneaker. But guys, inside this box is something special, and inside this box, guys, you normally get that tissue paper, but you get 2 variations of this tissue paper in this box. As you can see, guys, you get that light white cement print paper, and then you get that normal tissue paper in it, as you can see. But also inside the box it's all red, so as you can see, it shows that fire red effect. If you haven't seen the UNC 3 box, you know they always do different things with that box, because basically they put a print on what the sneaker is going to look like in the inside, on the outside. Just like the Jordan 4 PSGs, the inside looks like grass because it's associated with the football club. But basically, guys, this is what the box looks like. There's nothing on the lid, there's no QC check markers here. This is legit, I can tell you guys, this is legit. This came from Foot Patrol, one of the other ones came from JD, the other one came from Offspring, the other one came from Nike, and the other one came from End. As you can see, guys, all 5 pairs came from different retailers, all struck out W's all the way through. But on this box, as you can see, this is what the label says, this is what the label reads, this is what the label should be, and it says Air Jordan 3 Retro White, Red, Fire, Black on it. And it also says UK 9.5. Because I had to go for the bros, I actually stepped one size, half a size down, so the bros could actually pick up their pairs. Because if I hit multiples, I was always going to get multiple pairs and try and give them to the bros for retail. But it's a 10.5 US and it is 44.5, and I can still fit a 9.5. I think 9.5 is more my size than a 10, but I'm going to try and see what happens with other shoes, because basically if it's a Jordan 6 or a 7, they fit like 10 fine, UK 10, but if it's like a Jordan 4 or a 3, I can get away with 9.5. It's not too snug, which is great. But inside this box as well, something special, something unique, something different, like OG and all, and you get this little tag or this little paper with everything about that sneaker, everything to do with the upper, the sock liner, the heel sole unit, the foot air sole unit, the foot frame, and the outsole, guys. That is everything you need to know about the Jordan 3. If you got the Fire Red 3, it's worth a read, guys. Definitely worth a read. That is amazing. That is such an amazing detail to that sneaker. It reminds me of all the old retro releases when they used to give you cards, but this one is like a paper leaflet pamphlet that gives you all the information you need to make sure your sneaker, you know what your sneaker's got, basically. But on that note, let's check out this sneaker, guys. It's sneaker time, so hey presto shebang, and as you can see, this is the Jordan 3 Fire Red, and as you can see, the elephant print is not like the 2007 or 2013 variation, and as you can see, guys, that elephant print is banging on this sneaker. It is basically true to the OG. The OG print looked like this. The OG print absolutely looked like a normal elephant print. This is like the grey is not black. Let's just say the grey is not black, but this is true to the OG. Everything true to the OG. Even the cut on this Jordan 3, it absolutely looks beautiful. This is not that Jordan 3 cut from 2018 when it was up in the air. And to prove that, let me just pull out the black cement 3s. As you can see, guys, look at the black cement 3s. Look at the top. Look at the way the toe pops right back up at the top there. Bang. That's the old kind of non-OG cut that we used to get, that we were getting basically in the past. But now, ever since like the Georgetown 3s was the difference, and even the water cool grey 3s was the difference. But now you can see the cut is sleek. The cut is just bang. True to the OG, more true to the OG. And as you can see, guys, this is what the Fire Red 3 looks like. White, sparkling white upper, and you got the hints of the red on the collar there and on the eyelets there, and on the eyelets there. That is just so gorgeous. That red on that white looks absolutely gorgeous, guys. And then you've got that red midsole that runs through to the lateral all the way to the, basically not to the medial side, but it basically cuts off right where the actual elephant print ends there. You can see that gorgeous elephant print on the actual toe and on the back panels. And OG and all, guys, look at that Nike Air on the back, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you've got that red Jumpman on that tongue, absolutely sewn in, absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. Comes with that white laces, and even that tongue is all grayed out up to the top of, up to the basically just before the top of that tongue, and then you've got grey hints on the eyelets there, right there, guys. Beautiful sneaker, absolutely gorgeous, absolutely amazing. Tinker Hatfield did his thing, guys. This is the 1988 variation. This is the Fire Red 3 variation, true to the OG variation. Nike Air on the back, and then you've got that grey, white, and red midsole. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. The Jordan 3 sole is absolutely beautiful, and I'm just gonna correct myself. I did say midsole because I'm too excited, but this is absolutely, outsole is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful, guys. Personal pair, guys, and this is smelling absolutely beautiful. This is a gorgeous sneaker. Love this, love this. I know the elephant print back in the day was a bit lower down there. It kind of cut, it was more of a shorter cut, but this actually wraps the toe a bit more, and top down view, as you can see, it's more of an OG cut than everything else. Absolutely beautiful, guys, absolutely beautiful. This is such a gorgeous sneaker. And then I love seeing the air bubble, air unit. That is absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous sneaker. I'm just speechless, really speechless, because I love this. I love OG sneakers. I love everything OG, and I love this sneaker. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me just take this paper out, and I'm going to show you guys. If this has got the Dream Cell insole, I can definitely tell, because it's easy to take out. And this is, yep, this is This is the dream cell insole, definitely, but as you can see, it's white rather than the black that we normally get. And then you've got that basically fire red on that insole, and then that white Nike Air on the insole itself. But this is a gorgeous sneaker. As you can see, guys, the inside of that grey lining inside and the back of that tongue is red, and even the redness on this don't protrude the tongue like unlike the Katrinas protrudes massively around it. And you can see even the black cement 3s protrudes massively over that tongue. As you can see the red lining. I do enjoy that, but I do like the OG cut. This is a gorgeous sneaker, guys. Absolutely gorgeous sneaker. This was an easier cop, but I'm going to go into that. Before I do that, I'm going to give you that front perspective. I'm going to give you that booty action Nike Air back perspective, that lateral side, that medial side, and that absolutely beautiful outsole. So that is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to give you that 360-degree rotation. Make sure you have this on your feet. Make sure you get this for your personal pair, guys, because this is OG and all. Make sure you hit the streets with a beautiful pair of sneakers. Absolutely beautiful. You know what I'm going to give this, guys. This is a super GOAT sneaker. OG and all gets that super GOAT rating. Super GOAT sneaker. Absolutely gorgeous. Now let's talk about the resale on this. There is none. Don't worry, guys, there is none. There is going to be restocks on this, I can guarantee it. Size haven't got their full stock. They didn't do a men's release on this. And also on top of that, if I'm able to cop 5 pairs, 4 for the bros, 1 for myself, all for retail, going out for retail, everybody's getting their pairs. I literally had one of the bros message me, Del, you know who you are, bro. You messaged me 5 minutes before the release, and I still was able to cop, and I still went for E, I still went for myself, I still went for E's bro, and I still went for other people, guys. This was easy. OGs are easy to pick up. I'm telling you guys, OGs are mass produced, and this is a beautiful sneaker. Nothing on this is basically out of place. No quality control issues. Nothing on this looks bad. There is obviously always gonna be like a little bit of paint, that like paintbrush marks on this, because it's a 3. A 3 normally gets that. Even on my black cement 3s, you got that paint mark on it. You got that almost like paintbrush strokes on it. But OG and all, happy, more than happy. Super GOAT of a sneaker, and I'm gonna put this on my feet, so make sure you watch till the end, because this is gonna be on my feet. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely amazing. No resale, absolute retail. This is a gorgeous sneaker, guys. Make sure if you wanted this, there's gonna be restocks on this sneaker. Definitely gonna be restocks on this sneaker. If you want this, guys, make sure you're aware of when these release, when these come out, when these restock, and make sure you always go in for those OGs. Absolutely gorgeous. Mwah, beautiful, guys. Wait for the on feet at the end, because I'm going to showcase it. And that was a review for the Fire Red 3 Jordan 3, guys. This is absolutely amazing, absolutely beautiful, fantastic sneaker. A beautiful sneaker, if you don't mind me saying so, guys, because that is gorgeous. And like leather, look at the leather, tumbled premium, soft. This is not going to crease badly at all. Even the perforations on this obviously are a bit more bigger than the previous releases from 2013, 2007. More OG than anything else. Either like I talked about the black cement print being darker on those actual 2013 and 2007 pairs. This is OG and all, guys. OG and all. This is how it should have been on the other 2 releases. This is basically the sneaker that created the Katrinas. This is the sneaker that influenced the Cardinals. This is the OG that Tinker released in 1988, guys. Pretty much, guys. So that was the review, guys. As you can see, I am pumped for this sneaker. Absolutely beautiful. Finally, the 5 Red 3s in my rotation. They're going to be on my feet. They're going to be worn by me. And like I always say, thank you for coming through. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for showing love. And thank you for all the comments and all the discussions that I actually am able to do on YouTube, on IG, on TikTok. So make sure you join me on all the platforms if you want to have a discussion. And on that note, I hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want, especially OGs. And on that note, peace out for now, guys, and peace.